My flight to Nairobi arrived late, so I stayed at the 4 Points by Sheraton Nairobi Airport, just a 5-minute ride in the hotel's free shuttle from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. There are 2 restaurants, a rooftop pool, and a fitness center. The hotel has modern, spacious rooms like this traditional king that I stayed in. Filtered water is provided in the rooms, and minibar options are available for purchase. Room service is also available. I paid $170 for a one-night stay, and since this is a Marriott property, you can book or earn Marriott Bonvoy points. Check-in is at 3 p.m. and check-out is at noon.